Morning everyone, welcome to Wednesday's maths lesson. So today we're going to start by looking at the order for the days of the week and the months of the year. So we'll start with days of the week. So we have got 7 days in our week. Let's write the number 7 there. So we've got 7 days in our week, and that is the same for every single week. We always have 7 days. And Monday all the way through to Friday is the weekdays. So this is our week, right, week here. Okay, so this is the week and this is when we are normally at school. So we would normally be at school on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. And then Saturday and Sunday are a little bit different. So let's put a box around Saturday and Sunday, because Saturday and Sunday we are never at school, and this is the weekend. It's the weekend. So we do lots of things with our families at the weekend. And then once it gets to Sunday and we've had our tea on Sunday and maybe we've watched a little bit of television and then we've gone to bed, when we wake up again, it is Monday and we start a fresh, brand new week. So those days never change. They always go in the order from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then the weekend is Saturday and Sunday. So I would like you to pause your video now and have a go at writing your days of the week and spelling them correctly, and then writing down one thing that you do on each of those days. So for example, I might say on Wednesdays, I like to go for a walk. On Saturdays, I like to go swimming. Okay, so they're the things that I might do on those days. So have a go at doing that. Just notice before you pause your video, every single day of the week have got a capital letter. That is because they are names. So just double check you are firstly spelling them correctly and secondly using a capital letter. Okay, welcome back, Bumblebees. So as well as days of the week, we've also got the months of the year. So we have 12 months in our year. And again, that is the same every single year. And then we'll pop that 12 up there so we remember. And then each month is a different season. So every time we change seasons, we've got 4 different seasons, and each month comes under a different season. So I'm going to draw a line here and I'm going to go up because that is a different season to March, April and May. And then I'm going to draw a line here and go down to June, July and August. Maybe a little bit of September as well. And back up again. Okay, and then we've got September, October and November. That's a different season. And then December needs to be attached to January and February. Okay, so January and February need to be attached to December, going up like that. And then we've got March, April and May, which is another season. So let's see if you can remember, what are the different seasons? So I'll give you a clue. We have got winter, spring, summer and autumn. Okay, so let's see if we can label them in the correct place. So let's start with spring. Spring always falls in March, April and May. Okay, summer comes straight after spring, and that is June, July and August. Then we've got autumn, which is September, October and November. And then finally, we've got winter, which starts in December, but then also continues in January and February. So they are our 4 seasons. And again, once it gets to December and we've celebrated Christmas and we've had lots of celebrations for New Year, our calendar then starts again in January. Okay, so I would like you to pause the video now, have a go at writing the months of the year, again spelling them correctly and thinking about your capital letters, and then in each one think of something that you might do for that month. So for example, in January I might build a snowman. In February I might celebrate Valentine's Day. In March it might be Mother's Day. In April it's usually Easter. In August, we might go on our summer holidays. September, we start back at school. October is always Halloween, and November is always bonfire night, and December is always Christmas. So, see if you can create a little poster or a bit of information about each of the months of the year and write them in the correct order. Okay, welcome back, Bumblebees. So, we're going to have a quiz today, and we're going to see if we can answer some known key facts about time. So you need to get your piece of paper and your pen ready because we are going to have a time quiz. And here are your quiz questions. So just remember that if I'm going too fast on the video, you can always press pause. Now, there are no answers on the video today. I need you to send me your answers and I will let you know in an email how you have got on. Are we ready? Question 1. How many days are there in January? How many days are there in January? Question 2. Which month has the least number of days in it? Which month has the least number of days in it? Question 3. How many hours are there in one day? How many hours are there in one day? Question 4. Which season is the month of June? Which season is the month of June? Question 5. On which days do we usually attend school? On which days do we not usually attend school? 6. How many seconds are there in 2 minutes? So think about how many seconds there are in 1 minute and then double it. So how many seconds are there in 2 minutes? Question 7. How many days are there in a normal year? So not a leap year, a normal year. How many days are there in a normal year? Question 8. What is special about a leap year? What is special about a leap year? Question 9. How long is a fortnight? How long is a fortnight? And finally, question 10. How many hours are there in 2 days? How many hours are there in 2 days? So remember, have a think of how many hours there are in one day and then double it. So don't forget, there's no answers to today's quiz. You must send your answers to me on an email and I will let you know how you've got on. Good luck.